Today we're going to look at search in Syncplicity. To do this, we do need to open the web browser. And for us to do that on Windows, let's click on the up arrow, go into our Syncplicity app, and then click Online. Once online, we'll be brought to our files just like you'd expect, and then you're going to have this new box right here for search. Now you're going to see I've already done some searches here, which we're going to go ahead and continue doing. So I'm going to search on the word sample. And the nice thing about the search in Syncplicity is, of course, it's going to return any files with that name in it, but it also returns any files where that word occurs. So you'll see here that the word sample actually is in this report. So it's showing up here. Otherwise, it's just showing up this and all of the file names. It'll also return any folder names as well. So for example, if we wanted to search for the word project, you'll see here's our project folder. Really nice feature. Now you can also do some more magic with the search. So we have this funnel over here, and if we click on this, you have some filters for your search. So here we can say you only want to search maybe audio files or documents or program files or folders. You can also say only if the size is of a specific range. Anytime the file was modified, the last 24 hours, last week, you want to go really old, you can do that here as well. Then we have a search scope. Now this gets a little bit confusing. So you've got your current folder and subfolders, which is what we're looking at right now, essentially your all files. You could do current folder only. So let's say we are in our documents folder. You'd be able to search only in here. Or we have everywhere. Now this everywhere isn't the global everywhere within your tenant. This is only your everywhere. So this will search in all of your files and folders. The owner could be anyone. Could be just you. And then you can also search on tags. We're going to come back to that in a minute. So if we go right here and let's just say again we go project, we'll do email this time, something different, and we do search. So you're going to see all the times the email shows up, which is all these files has the word email in it. Email here, and then here's our email file folder and another email folder right here. Very, very powerful. Nice thing about search also, it works on Windows, it works on Mac because it works in the browser. Very cool. Now if you want to clear your search, all you have to do is click all files. And if you're wondering what these are here, these are your filters that we found in the funnel. So you can select from here as well your filters if you need to, instead of using the funnel. Goes either way, but it does the exact same thing. And to clear your search, just click all files. Now we talked about tagging a minute ago. Tagging, you do have the ability to tag. I'm just going to walk you through a couple of its options. So you're going to notice here that we've got a tag on this particular folder called training. So what happens is if right now, because it's tag training, if I click on that, it's going to return any time the training tag has been used. And you're going to see I've got a folder and 2 documents. So it does a search on the tag. Same here with customer reports. We click on that, it's going to show you every time that tag shows up. So in that, it's very powerful. Now if you want to tag something yourself, that's very simple to do. Let's go in here and tag some documents. So let's say we're going to look at this PDF. We want to tag it. So here we can go ahead and click add or edit tags. You can also right click on it and choose add or edit tags. And here you can go ahead and enter in your tag. Now as you start typing your tag, you'll notice that the tags, it'll know what tags you've already used, and it's going to pre-populate, give you some options so that you're consistent with your tagging. We're also going to tag this one PDF, and then if we want to add one more tag, let's call this sample. Okay, so you're going to see we've got 3 tags, and then we're going to go ahead and save it. Once that's saved, you'll see that we now have 3 tags on that sample PDF. You can also edit your tags. So if you click on the file here, let's say we changed our mind and we don't want the sample tag in here. All we have to do is go back to add edit tags, click on the X next to sample, and then click save. And there you're going to see that our tag is now missing. Quick note about tags, you can get up to 10 per file, and you do have a limit to the number of characters you can use. So you don't want to go crazy making silly hashtags like you would on Twitter or Instagram. Think of this more as a good way to categorize or track your files. That is tagging and search in Syncplicity.